Welcome back. Now, Microsoft Clipchamp does have a screen sharing facility as well as a camera and or screen sharing, and you can create these elements to place them inside of your video. And once you have placed them in, what you can do is you can auto caption what it is you create. Now, as you can see here, we've added an audio clip here in this area. And what we can do inside of Clipchamp is we can go to the Captions tab and we can turn on auto captions. We're going to click Transcribe Media. Clipchamp will produce a caption file that you can download, and it will also, in this right side panel, provide the transcript for any audio or video that you have spoken into the edit for your video. So you can use the AI elements inside of Clipchamp in order to transcribe anything that you create, whether it is audio or video, generated from your camera and your microphone. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.